Welcome back, everyone. So let's start and generate a project. What we're going to do, we're going to go to the terminal. Okay, so this course already assumes that you have Node.js installed. Okay, so to get started, let's first generate a Node.js project. I am going to make a directory here and call it nvk bookstore. So I'm going to cd to nvk bookstore. This is where our project is going to be. You can call it whatever you want, okay? It's just how I'm going to call this project. Now, there's nothing here yet. Let's do an npm init to create a project. But before I do that, I would like to point out that this video is being recorded using Node version 8.12.0, okay? So npm init will ask you a few questions before it can create the file package.json that's going to serve a project. So I'm just going to choose the default package name nvk bookstore. Version I'm going to leave at 1. Description, you can add whatever you want there. I'm just going to skip it. For the entry point, I'm just going to say app.js. That's the file we're going to write with our server. Test command, we don't have it yet, and we won't care for this course. Git repository, if you have one, feel free to add there. I don't care about keyword. Author, put your name. I can put my username, doesn't really matter. License, you can choose your own license. Let's use MIT for me. Is this okay? Yes. So you see now, if I open the text editor, I use Atom, by the way, and we go back there. Here's the package JSON that was created by the npm init command. Okay, not much there. Now let's finally get to install Express. Let's get back to the terminal. Okay, let me clear this. We're gonna do npm install Express. Notice because I'm in the previous versions of Node npm, it used to be that you needed to say --save if you want to add this dependency to the package JSON. So it already does automatically for me, but if you're using a version of Node that does not do that, a Node older version, you should put --save there. And in any case, we now have, if I go back to the text editor to package.json, we now have Express here. We're using Express version 4.16.3 in this video, okay? Just so you know. Now that's all good, great, and now we have to start writing our first file. So I'm going to leave that to the next lesson. I'll see you then, okay?